Good afternoon, YouTube. I am now in Spain, 2 weeks in Spain, and today I wanted to take you all along, and we're going to a boat trip, like a sailing boat trip. That's on the agenda to do, and first get something to eat because right now I'm hungry, and then after walking through the city to like a bit sightseeing, and then after to the boat trip, and I'll take you all along with you. But first I'm gonna get something to eat, and then show you all the city. So I'm now walking to the boat. I will show you all the view. Look at it. Ain't it beautiful? I have arrived to the boat, but I'm like 30 minutes earlier than normal. So I'm gonna see what they say. I'm gonna check myself in. So I had to arrive on the boat. This is the back view. Look at the fishies. Look more over there. So I can put you all down because I don't have my tripod with me. I don't have my tripod with me. I got some cookies. I can try on camera with you all. Oh, one is broken. But look how it looks. One is broken, but look how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try the broken one. I ain't gonna lie to you all, I already tried the pistachio one. Chef kiss. One. Wait, let me don't choose the favorite one yet. I just spit in. This is like red velvet chocolate. I love it. I love it. This one is my favorite one. So this one is amazing. I will go back for more for sure before I leave here. It's tasty, and when it's warm, chef kiss. And this is regular chocolate. I love it. I love it. I don't know if y'all can hear the copyright music, but I'm gonna stop the camera here because we don't want to get in the copyright. So I'm done with the boat trip. I have like a picture I got from the lady. Look at it. Guys, it's day 2 in Malaga. Well, not day 2, but this is the first week that I'm here. And we're now going to a place called Alcazbar, something so. And I will take you all with me. I will show you all what I'm seeing. So stay tuned.
need some lessons.
Don't forget me, I say, I remember. To the apartment to eat something, and then the next destination is going to a museum, and I'll take you all with me, but first I'm gonna eat something and go to the museum. I think I'm gonna keep these clothes on, the short pants with the black shoes and the black top, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you all in the next museum.
Oh, it's just a chicken.
Have arrived to the museum. Good afternoon, you all. So today on the agenda is for me to take a shower because I need to bathe. And then I have an activity that I have to do, and that's bike riding around Malaga in Spain, the place that I'm staying. And I want to take you all with me, but first I have to get ready. It's for 2:30 and right now is it's 12:40 something. So therefore I have to get ready. I have to do my hair, put on my outfit, take a shower, and then I will take you all with me. But first let me get ready, and I'll come back on the camera with you all when I'm riding the bike. So I have arrived to the bike park, and right now just now we're gonna start the tour. It's 2.5 hours, I think. So I'm done with riding the bike. Now I'm in Uber, heading back to the apartment. That was the end of my Spain vlog. Honestly, God, this trip was like a 10 out of 10. I was sick on it, but it still was a 10 out of 10. It had so much to do there. And yeah, I'm ending off the vlog. I'm using my little light TV because it's dark in my room. But this is the end of the vlog. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next vlog.